Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is Thursday, October 10th. We are going to be doing some nail art today. We have got Harley Marie with us with some really black nails by Modelones. We are going to be doing some gradient flames, some nail stickers. I got these off Amazon. You look at my notes here. They are by Dr. Mode, M-O-D-E. I paid $8.86 US. There's no coupon. And like I said, these are gradient flames. I'm going to show you the colors here. This reminds me of Christmas. These flames here. And there is a lot of flames on each sheet. So we got that one. We got this one, looks like outer space. A little bit of tie-dyedness going on here. I think these are really, really super cool. So you got all these different ones to pick from. I'm going to be doing one on each nail. Except, I don't think I'm doing the Christmas one. I don't know. We'll see as we go. So we're going to get Harley up here, get her situated. Got my tweezers. This one I'm going to pick them up with. And I've done a video before on a 16-piece set. Great, great products. You can get a lot of manicures just off one sheet. So, let me find some that I want to use. Back her up a bit so I can get my hands in here. There's some really cute ones. All different sizes. With me, the hard part's getting them off the sheet. There we go. I'm going to take this by the tip. If I can see to do it. And place them on the nail. I'm going to get my Jabby Do. Press them up. And down. There we go. How simple and easy is that? I think they're gorgeous. I just really love these. They are super cool, super fun. Like I said, you can get a lot of manicures just off one sheet. Oh, it's going to frustrate me for a second. Ow! Ooh! We got blood. I'm going to pause this and get me a wipe. Be right back. Alrighty, we are back. They're definitely sharp, right? We've seen that. What a thing, gets stabbed on camera. We're going in, oops, on the ring finger. Once again, I'm going to grab these from the tip. And I can line them up better on the tip of the nail. So you just kind of grab onto the gel polish. These are just too cool. These are great for Halloween time of the year. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry I wasn't even in frame. I was taking this sheet, this decal specifically. Aw. And we have them on the ring finger. I'm really sorry about that. Here, I thought I was in frame, and I look up, and I'm not. Okay, we're going to go for the middle finger now. Get us a nice, good flame. I don't stab myself this time. Get it from the top of the sticker. Whoops. line it up with the bottom of the nail. Whoops. As we see, this one's a little bit longer than the nail. Which means we got trimming to do. Did not plan on that one, so I'm grabbing my itty bitty little scissors. Let me pull the sticker up a bit. Do a little bit of surgery here. There. Our flame will fit. Keep the scissors out just in case. How does that look, ladies? What do you think? Really dig these. I really think these are cool. Got 2 nails left. Definitely am doing that one. Oh, this would look great over the black, I think, but so would this. Let me just do this one here. Oh, I'm parched. Sorry about that. Had to get me some of my Vernors. My ginger ale. If you're not from Michigan or surrounding close areas, I know Cincinnati has it, right, Dee? Diana knows about ginger ale. She had a slight taste of it when she was in Cincinnati, and she don't like it. Oh, I hate anybody that's from Michigan knows Vernors is just the best. If you're sick, that's what you need to get. It's just some Vernors. I'm not sick, but I just love it. Love me some Vernors. Get the air bubbles out. Go, make sure my nails in all the way. I think these are really super cool. I really do. So I'm going to go with this one. I'll save the other one for Christmas. Let's get me a really good flame here. There's so many, it's just hard to tell where to pick from, and love these. I so recommend these highly. Give these, I don't know, I've only got 2 thumbs, but if I had more, I'd give them more. These are really cool. Really cool. I just can't get this. These are a little bit difficult for me to see to get up. Maybe for you they'd be easier. Okay, I got the start of it. Whoops, I had the start of it. There we go. Southeastern Michigan is 52 degrees here this morning. A little chilly. Not bad though. Could be worse. Could be worse. We could be out and oh my God, where is it? God, I can't remember they got snow. That's all I can remember. If people got snow already, which, oh God, forgive me for laughing. I don't want any. I hate the snow. But some people have snow already, and it's just the beginning of October, and it figure a little early. God's playing a joke on him or something, but I don't want no snow. I hate it. I used to love driving in it. Now, can't stand it. Oh, Lordy. So we're going to top coat these with the Leaf Hue top coat. It's a steel gel. I can't talk. Steel top coat gel. It is a sub brand of Modelones. Get in frame here. Sorry about that. I'm just in my own world laughing. We're going to top coat Harley's Flames and call it a day. I've hurt myself, cap your nails, caused myself to have a boo-boo. I think this top coat's running out. I feel like I'm not getting a good bead. Oh no. Ooh-wee. That was funny. Gave myself a good giggle, didn't I? Give yourself a nice glossy top coat. And we are going to pop these in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I will be right back. Okay, we are fresh out of the lamp. We have got our flames top coated. What do we think, ladies? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think if you've tried these off Amazon. I know you can get some like this, probably very, very similar. I doubt it's the exact same ones off of AliExpress. eBay even maybe. Wish, who knows. I don't shop Wish anymore. I like AliExpress and Amazon, of course. I'm going to show you this in case you need to see it. And it says Dr. Mode right here. So you could use keywords like flame nail stickers or even buy Dr. Mode flame nail stickers. These are brand new. I've had these like, oh god, 2 weeks I've been sitting on them, which is bad of me. I should have got these out sooner. But these are like so super cute. I do love these. Love, love, love. First manicure, well, not the first, but usually my black wrinkles on me. So this one didn't, thank God. Harley will take a bow. These are her flame gradient. Remember, gradient flame. When you look these up, don't put flame stickers because then you're going to get this other pack here. This is the iridescent. Those are the gradient. 6 pieces for $8.86. So, this is the end of our video for today. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up when you come through if you like the video. If you don't, then I guess a thumbs down is in order. Whatever your little heart desires to do. But please leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you were here so we can get some chit-chat back and forth. Get to know each other a little bit better. And always subscribe. My channel is free, is and always will be. And don't forget, click the bell. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.